SnoShark, the SNO Tool REINVENTED, is back and we're better than ever. In 2018, the original SnoShark was successfully funded on Kickstarter with 908 happy backers from all over the world, and the product reviews started to come in. Men's Journal listed SnoShark as one of the coolest pieces of gear they had tested. Autoblog called SnoShark the ultimate snow removal tool, and One Cut Reviews says, "The thing is nothing short of miraculous." The editors from Gadget Flow awarded SnoShark the editor's pick, stating, "The SnoShark will save you countless hours and backaches removing snow." The consumer reviews have also been absolutely fantastic, better than we could have asked for. But one comment from the outdoor community was that a slightly longer reach would be amazing for the sprinter, camper, van, travel lifestyle. While the original SnoShark reach is great at 39 inches, we listened and did what we do best. We engineered a longer reach. And so, without further ado, check out the new and improved SnoShark-XL. Specifically designed to get you on the road faster, the XL boasts a 15-inch longer reach and is the perfect gear accessory for those who love adventure or live in snow country and need to get on the road fast. SnoShark is the first premium snow removal tool on the market, and the level of interest has been absolutely humbling. SnoShark features all high-grade parts, zinc alloy, stainless steel, and nylon with an antifreeze additive to withstand the cold and endure repeated use. Two tools in one, the XL is also a highly effective ice scraper. The SnoShark-XL is heavy-duty and built to last. It's so badass, it comes with a lifetime warranty. Simply put, SnoShark is a giant leap forward for snowkind. There are two locking positions, 40 and 54 inches, so you can easily reach the highest points of your vehicles. In compact position, the XL has a small 24-inch footprint and can be stored in your vehicle for quick access. Both safety and storage issues are solved right here. Tired of wasting money on cheap and ineffective snow tools every year? Don't forget, those end up in a landfill somewhere. SnoShark is the game changer.